Hello, this is Isabella Lima, your Florida Realtor. Today I come to present you a beautifully upgraded home with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a beautiful backyard. You want to see more? Come on with me. And as we walk in, we are greeted with so much natural sunlight flooding in through the living room window, completely brand new tile flooring, freshly painted walls. To our left here is the entrance to the garage, and also to our right we have 2 beautiful spacious rooms complete with an updated bathroom as well. And right in front of us, right off of the kitchen, we have the master, which is also updated, and so is the bathroom. And for the beautiful kitchen to entertain, to cook, we have beautiful updated granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, recessed lighting, crown molding. I mean, it just really doesn't get better than this. And to tie it all in, we have a beautiful view to the oversized backyard. It doesn't get better than this. Let's go check it out. And for the cherry on top, we have this massive backyard with fruit trees and a fire pit. I mean, it truly doesn't get better than this to entertain your friends or to let loose and let go on weekends. You deserve it. Contact me today, schedule your showing. This won't last long. I can't wait to hear from you. Isabella Lima, your Florida Realtor.